Hey, I've got a question for you. Are you using this? Are you using one of these to help give you a little bit of additional information with your money in your business? Because take a look at this. When you figure out what your yeses are with your pendulum, and when you figure out what your nos are with your pendulum, then guess what? You have additional information to help give you insight into making financial decisions, numbers decisions, business decisions that can help you out. So the next time that you might be going, what should I do? What should I do? Well, guess what? You've got an additional tool in your Somatic Money Toolkit intuitively to help give you a little bit more information, a little bit more of an edge to figure out what you're doing financially, business-wise, and in your life. Okay, let me know if you work with a pendulum and if you do so with money, business, and life decisions. Thanks for being here, and I will see you in the next video.